just had to hop on the screens. Not too long. FOMC is later today. We'll go over my processes, my setups. Let me move the camera over there. Theme of market today, FOMC today, Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla earnings tonight. Apple tomorrow, sorry. Many catalysts that could create indecision in the market. You should be trying really hard not to take trades. Market established low a day at 8:30. Is moving higher off of that level. That was 8:30 low. We put in a new low since. However, putting controls at highs, paying close attention to order flow. As we can see, a test of the highs or market is weak and looks to come back and test weekly value area. Market came up into 60.80 and held. Came into 60.80 and held, which is upper extreme on weekly volume. That is this. Rejected, holding, right? Pre-market. No clear targets. 919, I said intraday. This was activity I saw today at 1 o'clock. I had this level marked out from Thursday. It was 60.10. There was a little area of news that created this range bar candle. We consolidated. We bought higher off of that. Came into the level today and rejected it. Saw aggressive buying into that level at like 1 in the morning. And then came into it again and failed, selling below it. I'm so sorry. I was supposed to show you the screen. 1 o'clock this morning, bought into it, rejected, came again, second test, failed. Like I said, Thursday, last week, consolidated on news, consolidate, broke above, aggressive buying. So had that level marked out. Right before the open, we had a 1,000 lot buy side order just got filled. Negative 1,200 stellar delta before open, and then I started noting the volume, pace of tape. Like I said, sorry. Pace of tape is significantly lower than I would have expected. Lower volume 2. Market is moving lower. Looking to come into weekly value area. Another 1,000 lot buy side order was just placed. I said lots of funny business before large news events is typically not good trading conditions. FOMC later today, earnings today. If I'm seeing stuff like that, it's just better I stay out of it because there's obviously some larger things going on. And you can see on that book map, large liquidity steps in, seller sells into it. Large liquidity comes in, seller sells into it. Seller sells into it again. And I'm going to note these. I said a couple more things about the volume. Reaction off lows became interesting. Had a couple of opportunities to try along, but didn't love. I was looking right here. That third order we placed in that weekly value area. I mean, you can see the tape too. Look how slow the tape is. If we were to just go over to like yesterday, for example, if it will let me. I mean, we had an increased pace of tape for the first 23 minutes before we started seeing where I would consider it slow. You can kind of see the difference, right? It's definitely slower market conditions. The two levels I did circle, these are opportunities where I felt like I could have got into a long position. This one I wasn't too focused on the market at this point. This is where I was like really looking, like really could have got an entry right here. Or just, being patient for a dip and seeing if it holds. You could even say right here too, right? Sellers trying to aggressively sell this market. Aggressively sell, not being rewarded. I mean, if we're in at 60.80 and I'm holding this, I'm up 6 points. Like, it's not preferred conditions. Let's go back to the main. This was a level off the open, high volume. I had this level marked out, point of control right here. If I was to get in right here, I'm like, all right, I need to break point of control, then I need to break this, and I need to break VWAP. And at that point, and you got a little, it's just like I feel like there's too many walls in the way between me and my opportunity playing out. This opportunity that I'm trying to create in my head. Like I said, breaking point of control, holding. Breaking this area of high volume and holding. Breaking VWAP and holding. Breaking the low volume area. And at that point, I'm probably looking to sell. If it's starting to get weak above there, I take a good trade, but just too much, not liking the opportunities. will I look back and say that's a good short? I'm good. I'm good on all of it. So all that to say, no trades today. I might come on today for FOMC and look to take an opportunity if it presents itself. Like I said, large earnings this week. Sorry. Wednesday, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla. Friday, Apple, Visa. And then next week, something, right? Microsoft, yeah, no. Next week. What would it be, like Amazon? Alphabet, Amazon. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. Just want to say thank you. Appreciate y'all. Wanted to show up today regardless of what happens. So I appreciate y'all. God bless. Deuces.